Hey guys, here's a clip from our latest episode of Badass Body Shop. Link in the description for the full video. Go ahead and watch it. It's free.
What are you shooting some footage for Rotting in Style?
Nah, not even close.
Or are you looking at how does a punk waste his money? Look at this. Look at that.
Yep. That's
Ralph Nader would love this thing.
that's from hauling ass on I-4.
Hauling ass. Ralph Nader would love this. Unsafe at any speed. Ask him where that came from.
Thanks, Mom.
Thanks, Mom, for parking her car.
And Hemi swap it because they already make a kit.
Is one of those. If is one of those two-letter words that are the biggest one in the dictionary. Is if.
Yeah.
If.
If you had a,
If my aunt had balls, she'd be my uncle. So if, now, the Jaguar on the other chance, right there, would put a coat of wax on this thing every day. He knows it. But we're not going to go there because he gets buttered.
You feel like a big man now? Now that you got that off your
I got that off.
your hairy chest, you feel like a
No, I
better
was
man.
sitting in my office and I heard what sounded like somebody revving a boat motor, is what it actually sounded like.
So there you have it, guys. Just a short clip from our previous episode of Badass Body Shop. If you like what you see, check the link in the description for the full video of Badass Body Shop. It's free. Go ahead and make sure you subscribe while you're at it. And if you want, check us out on Facebook and Twitter for some exclusive updates. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay badass.